Alright guys, I know I haven't done a devlog in a little while. I've been just kind of diving deep, learning ECS a whole lot, so I don't have a ton to show you in the terms of cool things to look at, but I got some cool code that I'd like to show off that I've learned. So this uses the new Unity input system, ECS, and the new Unity physics. And it's been really fun to like kind of figure out how to, get it to find this path and to follow it and debug it, and just kind of learn how ECS as a system works. And right now I'm in the process of kind of deciding, do I want to do a rewrite of Polaris in ECS or not? Because a rewrite of Polaris needs to happen. There's a lot of like old foundational code, not really a rewrite, but a rebuilding, I guess would be a good way to put it. But if I'm going to be doing that, I just want to know if this is a pathway I should be taking on it or not. So I'm spending time learning it so I can make that decision. I'm not currently prepared for that. So in the meantime, we're just kind of building things out to see how it feels, how performant it is, can I get use of it, where can I get use of it, and how it'll work with the existing stuff. So that's kind of what I've been doing. I'm spending a lot of time doing it, but it's been fun. Got a lot of fun new things to learn and kind of how it all works. And you can watch the data of each entity over here. So the player entity, you can see the waypoints, the turns in the path buffer that it needs to take to get to its location. You can see its tags, has a path, is stationary. You can see its current move speed, its acceleration, its mid-move speed. All the information about it is kind of just stored here and how it all works and what it's all doing. So this uses a system that the Unity nav mesh is on the main thread. So we can't multi-thread that, but we can just make a call to it on the main thread, and then we can pass that off to be like traversed on like other threads. It doesn't need to be traversed on the main thread. So the movement, the actual movement of the entity is multi-threaded. The calculation of the path is single-threaded. And then the drawing of the path is also single-threaded because you don't have access to debug off of the main thread. I could write my own kind of thing, but for the scope and purposes of what I'm doing, I think it'll probably okay to have a debug being on the main thread, as well as the calculation of a path. I would need like 10,000 entities to start to make this slow anything down. So we're not doing that, but if I need to change it, I'll need to do my own implementation of A star on the other threads. But for now, this will work. It serves the purpose. There is no nav mesh agent or anything. I'm doing the traversing of the actual, what you call them, the path corners. That's the word I'm looking for, the path corners. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call that for here now. Stop by my stream if you haven't. It's twitch.tv/spheres, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific. Check out my Patreon. Shout out to Grenix, thank you. And if you're interested in continue to supporting the game and the stream, that's the best way to do it, and you get free assets. Who doesn't like free assets? Check out my website at playpolaris.com. And that's it for me. You guys have a good one. If I don't talk to you again before the holidays, happy holidays. As for now, though, enjoy.